Hey everyone, time to get lost in the sweet kayak review. Today, we're going to talk about the .65 Martini. This is a modular kayak that snaps together in just minutes. So you could go from solo kayak to tandem. This kayak has some sweet features. It's got air cushioned seats and it has a rudder on the back of it, and you have pedals inside to control the rudder. The kayak comes with 2 dry storage containers. This kayak is like the Swiss Army knife of kayaks. Snaps together like Lego. It's fast on the water. It's not going to win any races, but it will get you wherever you want to go. Let's demonstrate how this kayak could snap together and unsnap and reconfigure. Right now it's set up in tandem mode, but in just a second it unsnaps and that's it. Just like that, it's a solo kayak. I cut to some video of myself going out there and showing you that it won't sink. This kayak will even fit in the back of a tiny compact. Thanks for trusting me with this review on the .65 Martini kayak. Now get lost off-road.